everyone, I am here to unbox my Grace and Delilah box for December 2020. If you follow me, then you already know what Grace and Delilah is. If you don't, then basically what it is a subscription box for biblical fiction lovers. You get a biblical fiction book every month along with usually one other book, and then you'll get a few little trinkets in there as well. So let's see what is in the Christmas box. Oh, it's already looking good. So it looks like here we have some tea. Oh, that's cute. And a little tiny spoon. And, oh, I can't remember what this is called. It's what you put your loose leaf in to brew it. I can't remember what it's called. I'm so sorry. But this is really cute. That's a really cute little gift. Looks like we have a little bookmark. By this all men will know that you are my disciples if you love one another. John 13:35. That's a pretty little bookmark. I think we have another bookmark in here. We have a building of God, a house not made with hands, eternal in the heavens. 2 Corinthians 5:1. Oh, okay, nice. I like that. Of course a candy cane, because you're going to have a candy cane. I believe in here, let's see, I'm not really sure what's in here. Oh, candles. We've got some candles. We've got some tea light candles. What does this one say? River North, I think? That's what it says. And then sugar dumpling. Oh. Oh, I had to smell them. They smell good. They smell really good. Every single month you always get a little notepad in here, so you do get the notepad. And then the Women of Christmas series. Cool. So we've got a little bit like Eve, the promise of a savior. Oh wow, okay, so this is pretty good. So we've got all different women. This is just a little pamphlet that they make. So that's really cool, guys. So we've got that. I like that. That's going to be a good read. And then here's our books. We've got The Christmas Angel. Then we have Scoot Over and Make Some Room. Okay. And then this one is a new release. She Walked Before Us by Jill Eileen Smith. So this is our biblical one, but it's not fiction. It's actually a non-fiction book, but it's like a study of all different women that were in the Bible, which is awesome because I actually did want to check this book out because I love Bible studies. So that's pretty cool. So overall, oh, and I'm sorry, we have another candy cane. Mine was broke. Oopsie. But overall, I really like everything that's in this box, guys. It came out great. I love this box. I've been getting it for, I think, a year now. So, and I love to unbox everything and show what exactly came in here. I love all the books that I get every single month and the little, what I call them, I think they're called tchotchkes in Yiddish. I've always called little thingamabobbers tchotchkes. So my family, it's kind of funny when we have a bunch of them. I'm always like, look at all the tchotchkes we've got all over the place. So this is everything that came in this box. So overall, I'm really impressed. If you guys really love the Delilah box, go to graceanddelilah.com and check out the Delilah box subscription box. If you love biblical fiction like I do, you're not going to be disappointed in this box at all.